Yes guys, welcome back to Hair System DIY. Today I want to talk to you about sleep and whether I sleep wearing my hair system. 20% off, don't forget the dealio, new lace CU20, that's a lot of money, it's going to save you a heck of a lot. Please do remember there are some delays at the moment. It's not to do with the actual company itself, it's to do with distribution and supply chains, which as we all know have been massively affected by COVID. Okay, sleep. Right, so a lot of people have been asking me, do you sleep with your hair system? Or do you ever have a break from using your hair system? What I would say is 95% of the time, no, let me rephrase that. 98% of the time, I wear my hair system. The remaining 2% of the time, I don't wear it, and there's a couple of reasons behind that. The main one is that your skin needs a chance to breathe and recover. If your skin constantly has glue adhesive on it, it constantly has tape on it, your skin can get really dry and it needs to breathe. So I always advocate to anyone who asks about taking a break from their system, make sure that you do it every now and then because your skin needs time to recover. But obviously if you don't want to do it in public or during the day, just do it at night. So my general rule of thumb is at least one night a month, preferably two, I sleep without a hair system. And that really gives my skin a chance to breathe. What I also do is I moisturize my scalp for that night, once, maybe twice, and it just gives the skin a bit of suppleness that it really needs, because when you're wearing a system, the scalp, the skin on your head isn't getting any oxygen and it's just covered in this sort of adhesive glue. If you're using like a sort of a solvent based glue as well, there's all of those chemicals seeping into your skin, drying out your scalp. So I do usually, once I come to the end of a cycle of wearing a system and it needs a clean and it needs to be put back on, usually what I do it in the evening, takes about 5 minutes to pull it off, put some moisturizer on my head, and I just sleep without a system. And then the next morning, obviously if you're working in an office environment, it's not ideal to do it during the week. I'd recommend doing it during the weekend. Obviously we're all, a lot of us are working from home at the moment, so it makes it a heck of a lot easier to do it during the week. I usually do it during the weekend, a Friday night or a Saturday night. I wake up and then I just rebond it the next day. If you find rebonding quite monotonous, this can also be a really good way to break up the whole removal, cleaning and rebondage process, or rebonding process. It can make it, it can break up that monotony. And my scalp seems to do a heck of a lot better since I've been doing this. For the first year, I'd never give my scalp a break, and I was getting these red patches on my head. I was getting little blood spots and stuff. It was getting so dry that my scalp was becoming all flaky. It's horrible. I kind of just learnt this myself, really. In a funny kind of way, it's common sense. Just leaving your scalp, preferably, I'd say shaving it before you go to bed. Shaving the top bit before you go to bed. Then the moisturizer can really get into the scalp and give it that suppleness and give it that moisture that it's been lacking. So that's my protocol. That's what I do. It might work for some, it might not be convenient for others, but if you do have dry skin or sensitive skin, it's something I really do recommend. Guys, I hope you found that useful. I hope you're enjoying my content. If you are, please do subscribe. My New Year's resolution for 2021 is to get up to 1,000 subscribers. If I get beyond that, let's raise the bar a bit and let's see if we can get to 2,000 subscribers. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying my content. Please do give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. And I'll see you next time. Take care for now. Bye.